And India Today has now accessed Mahant Narendra Giri's controversial suicide note. The 8-page suicide note, all 8 pages of which are only with India Today, names Anand Giri, his disciple and accused suspect number 1 in this case. The suicide note says Anand Giri was trying to make a picture of Mahant go viral. Now, this is a new angle that has emerged on the back of this suicide note. Now, Narendra Giri's name and signature is on every page of this suicide note, and this simmering allegation. He says that my disciple Anand Giri was trying to make a picture or a visual of me go viral. 8 pages, making this mystery even deeper into this entire controversy. Now, there are some channels which have a couple of pages. India Today has all 8 pages of this particular suicide note. We're going to be joined by a reporter in just a moment on this suicide note. Remember, the police is in possession of all 8 pages of this suicide note and has secured the entire location. But this suicide note increases the glare exponentially on Anand Giri. Anand Giri, the flamboyant disciple of Narendra Giri, the man who you saw in those pictures with a Lamborghini luxury vehicle and a super bike. That's the man who's been named in this suicide note, where Narendra Giri accuses him of trying to make the entire, some kind of visual of Narendra Giri go viral. Samarth is with me live on this breaking story. Samarth, all 8 pages of the suicide note only with India Today. Very glaring allegation. He talks about how Anand Giri was trying to make some picture or some visual, Samarth, of Narendra Giri go viral. Can you throw some light on this? What picture is he talking about?
Well, this has come as a shocker, as it was speculated something like this may happen, and because it was clearly mentioned in the suicide letter before 2 days back when police told that he has said, I lived the entire life with dignity and can't discontinue it, which clearly shows there was something which was affecting his dignity to some extent, and property issue was on since many years. If he had to suicide for that particular matter, then he could have done that before, but he did not. So that shows that there was something behind this particular thing, and what people were assuming, what cops were speculating, this has come true with the suicide note. It has clearly mentioned that somebody, that particular person tried to made obscene image of Mahant Narendra Giri by adding the image of some other girl or woman as mentioned in the suicide letter. He wanted to defame the image as said by Mahant Narendra Giri in the suicide letter, that he wanted to defame him, and as he lived the entire life with pride, with respect, be it Samajwadi Party, BJP, Congress, every party loved the Mahant, every person loved him. Whosoever visited that particular Prayagraj Sangam must have visited the Mahant to take his blessings. And just imagine if that picture could have come around, then what could have been the impact. And
Samarth, we're just coming back to you. We'll just reconnect that on an urgent basis with Samarth. I just want to show it to you, ladies and gentlemen, so you know exactly what I'm talking about. I have all 8 pages of the suicide note right here with me. It's 8 full pages of this suicide note. Each one of these pages is signed by the Mahant himself. So all 8 pages are signed by the Mahant himself, and they go on to talk about Anand Giri. They talk about Anand Giri, they name him, and like Samarth says, this has come as a huge shocker, because remember, one angle talks about a CD with some allegedly obscene visuals which were used to blackmail Narendra Giri, but the rest of this letter, and now that India Today has got the rest of this letter, we've got information that the letter also contains a mention of an allegation by Narendra Giri that Anand Giri, the disciple, was trying to blackmail him about some objectionable visual that was going to go viral, or that Anand Giri wanted to make viral. All 8 pages of what could finally bring out the truth about what happened. Now remember, what I'm holding in my hands, ladies and gentlemen, the suicide note purportedly of Narendra Giri also suggests that there is a controversy over who wrote this. There are disciples who are arguing even over who actually wrote this, because Anand Giri says that Narendra Giri could not write at all, but another disciple says that Narendra Giri could definitely write. So take a look at this. So many pages of this entire suicide note, all of it in possession of the Prayagraj police and now in the possession of India Today. We've got every page of this particular suicide note that we're bringing to you here on India Today. Now, as we decode it for you, let me tell you, few more details coming in. More details from this suicide note, let me decode them for you. He says he tried committing suicide on the 13th of September, but couldn't muster the courage to do so. I'm basically quoting from this very suicide note that I'm holding in my hand. The Mahant says in this suicide note that he got to know that Anand Giri was trying to put out a picture of him doing galat kaam with a woman. This has become way bigger now. It's gone beyond the realm of speculation, viewer. Stay with me and listen to every word that I say, because this has now become even bigger. He says he tried committing suicide on the 13th of this month, but couldn't muster the courage. He goes on to say that Anand Giri, the disciple, was trying to put out a picture of Narendra Giri doing galat kaam, something wrong, something objectionable, compromising position with a woman. Narendra Giri says in the suicide note, he thought of clearing his name, but he was afraid of humiliation. He says he couldn't have survived with this badnami. And he says he is ending his life because of this. Ladies and gentlemen, this story has now gone completely to the next level. What you feared, what you in your mind probably feared was like the likely explanation or the possible angle that needed to be highlighted the most is now the top angle from this suicide note. 8-page suicide note written by Narendra Giri. And we've got all 8 pages in our hands, and they all paint a very detailed picture of what Narendra Giri is apparently trying to say. That there was a picture of him and he was afraid that the image of galat kaam